In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradingview on your phone, step by step. First things first, to get started, you'll need to download the Tradingview app. So open up your app store, whether you're on iOS or Android, and search for Tradingview. Once you've found it, go ahead and tap that download button. It shouldn't take too long, and after a few moments, you'll have it installed and ready to go. Now that the app is installed, open it up and you'll be prompted to either log in or sign up. A quick and straightforward way to get started is by clicking on Continue with Google. This option allows you to use your existing Google account, making the process super simple without the hassle of creating new passwords or memorizing new usernames. Once you're all signed in, you're going to want to set up your watch list. Your watch list is where you can keep track of all the stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other securities you're interested in monitoring. Adding to your watch list is very easy. You'll notice a plus icon or an add button. Go ahead and tap on that, then type in the ticker symbol or name of the asset you want to follow. Repeat this process to add as many items as you like to your watch list. Next, let's take a look at the charts section. TradingView's charts are where you can see all the price movements and market trends. This is where a lot of the magic happens. On your chart screen, you can switch between different time frames like daily or hourly views, depending on what you need. If you're ready to take action, you'll see buy and sell options on the chart as well. It's convenient for when you want to make quick trading decisions based on what you're seeing. Another fantastic feature of the TradingView app is the Explore section. Here you'll discover broader market information and analysis, giving you insights into what's trending in the market. This is great for those who want to dig deeper into specific sectors or find new trading opportunities. Moving on, the community area is the place to be if you're looking to connect with other investors and traders. It's a vibrant space where you can share your ideas and even get inspired by others. Engaging with the community can provide new perspectives and potentially fuel your trading strategies. Finally, we have the menu section of the app, essentially your control center. In the menu, you can manage your account settings, notifications, and more. It's good to explore this area to customize the app settings to your liking and enhance your overall TradingView experience. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using TradingView on your phone. With these features at your fingertips, you're well equipped to trade efficiently and stay informed, all from the convenience of your mobile device. Happy trading!